All right, synthetic division. Mr. McVeigh's here. He's going to show us how to do it. He'll probably just point at the screen, though. So.
It's his PowerPoint.
I'm going to do this up on the board, so everybody look at the board.
Yeah, just take a look at the board.
I'm about to write everything you need to know.
All right, see how he wrote that 2 inside that little corner up there?
That's called the shelf, by the way.
The shelf? I call it the corner office.
Terms.
Is it really the shelf?
That's what I call it.
Oh, okay.
Must
yeah.
be right.
The corner office.
The corner office.
Yeah, so we take the opposite of our number here.
Because we're taking the actual root or solution, x minus 2. When you solve it, you get x equals 2. That's why it's a positive 2 there.
Add 2 to both sides.
You just change the sign, that's it?
Yeah.
That's it, man.
So easy.
It's easy. And then what? You bring down your coefficients.
What's a coefficient?
I got one here. I'm pointing at the screen. It's 5. What's another one? Negative 13.
Oh, yeah.
10. Negative 8. Bring them straight down. There you go.
Okay. Now we got to bring down the 5 straight down. Okay. Now our steps here, they're pretty simple.
Over and over again.
Over and over again. So first thing we do, that number we brought down, the 5, well, we're going to multiply it by 2. Now,
2 times 5, 10.
get out your calculators, right?
Stop laughing.
Sorry.
I don't know that. Hey, 2 times 5 is 10, so you put it under 13, and then you add those two terms for a negative 3.
Yep, combine those. Negative 13 plus 10 is negative 3. Now we're going to multiply again. 2 times negative 3, negative 6.
Do you always multiply by the corner office?
You do. Yeah, I know. Crazy.
All right.
Add for 4.
You always add?
Always add.
Just combine them?
Good question, sir.
Oh, man.
Yeah. What do we do next after adding?
2 times
Multiply
4.
again. Okay. Get 8, and in this case we've got no remainder.
Nothing left over.
Okay. So we write our answer. Here's our coefficients of our depressed polynomial. So sad. 5x squared minus 3x plus 4, and then no remainder. So think about it as, since you're dividing, you're subtracting your exponents. 1 less than 3. 1 less than 2. Any questions, guys?
Nope, looks good.
All right.
Now the only thing we got to remember here is we look at our polynomial. Is every power of x from 5 all the way down to 0 represented? No. Okay.
5, 4. We're missing a couple.
Missing the 3 and the 2. Okay, so we got to put, for our synthetic division, we have 0x cubed and 0x squareds. Alright? And what goes on the shelf? Or in the corner office?
Opposite, I see x plus 2. Opposite would be negative 2.
Opposite.
There we go.
I'm learning something.
Mr.
Amazing.
McVeigh.
Wow.
You're a quick learner.
This is amazing.
Okay, x to the 5th gets the 3 brought down. X to the 4th gets its 5 brought down. X to the 3rd, there isn't one.
No x to the
0.
3rd.
No x squared.
No x squared.
X to the 1st, there's
1.
1. And the plain constant 5.
Okay.
Boom.
Bring down your 3 and then follow the same steps from the last slide.
Multiply, put it underneath. Multiply, put it underneath. Keep going. Alright.
Signing off from MWR Radio, McVeigh Winters Reddick Radio. Good weekend.